as they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. And this is my Storage Wars find right here. Picked this baby up for $150. About to haul it to my buddy's place. He's got a Mustang restoration shop. And we're gonna soda blast the entire thing and then get it in his paint booth. We got her loaded up. Here we go in the old Chevy. So we made it safe and sound in my buddy's Mustang restoration shop. There's Mustang Mike right there, Mike Burnett. I'll tag him in the videos. All he does is Mustangs. What are we gonna do, Mike? Soda blasted and painted?
Soda blasted and paint with some high temp candy red or something flashy.
Can't wait. So let's see this new bike you got.
They built the first Fat Boy, and it's called the Gray Ghost, which that's the one that Arnold Schwarzenegger rode in Terminator. Oh. Remember, ever see Terminator?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this 35 years later, they came out with a new Gray Ghost Fat Boy. So it's 35th anniversary. They only built 1,990 of them, and that's number 870. It's part of the Icons collection, they call it. All chrome.
So you got just a little collector. She's pretty nice, Mike.
That's a bad mother right there.
Sure is.
Let's go!